Hello friends, third lab program is consider the schema for movie database. Actor Actor table contain actor ID, actor name, actor gender. Then director table contain director ID, director name, director phone. Then movies table contain movie ID, movie title, movie year, movie language, director ID. Then movie cast. Movie cast table contain actor ID, movie ID and role. Then last table rating, movie ID and stars. Received stars. Write SQL queries to list the titles of all movies directed by Hitchcock. Okay, you have to display what? All the movie name directed by Hitchcock. Second, find the movie names where one or more actors acted in two or more movies. You have to find the movie names where one or more actors acted in two or more movies. Next, list all actors who acted in a movie before 2000 and also in a movie after 2015. Use join operation. Last question, fourth question. Find the title of movies and number of stars for each movie that has at least one rating and find the highest number of stars that movie received. Sort the result by movie title. And last question is update the rating of all movies directed by Steven Spielberg to 5. Just do one by one. First, ER diagram, entity relationship diagram. It contains actor, movies and director, all of the entities, and actor ID, actor name, actor gender, all of the attributes. Then movie cast, attribute, role. This is the relation between actor and movies. Then movies table, movies entity contain attribute, movie ID is a primary key, movie title, movie year, then movie language, then received stars, then movie has directors. Okay, movie has director. Director entity contain attribute, director ID, director name and director phone number. Next, schema diagram. Schema diagram contain, there are 5 tables are there given in question: actor, director, movies, movie cast and rating. Write all the table name, then all the attributes. Okay, that also given in question: actor ID, actor name, actor gender, like this. Okay, just go on, write actor ID, it is a primary key, actor name, actor gender, then directory, it contains primary key, director ID, director name, director phone, then movies table contain movie ID as a primary key, movie title, movie year, movie language, director ID, then movie cast contain actor ID and movie ID primary key, then role, then rating, movie ID and received stars. Then give the reference. Here actor ID is the primary key, director ID is the primary key, then movie ID is also a primary key. So here director ID is reference to director ID of director table. Then similarly actor ID of movie cast table is reference to actor ID of actor table. Then movie ID of movie cast table is reference to movie ID of movies table. And last one, rating. Movie ID of rating table is reference to movie ID of movies. Okay, based on this create the tables. Okay, first create actor. In actor table, actor ID is the primary key, actor ID number, actor name virtual 2, actor gender character. Okay, male or female, M or F. That's why one size 1 is enough. Then which one is the primary key? Actor ID is the primary key of actor ID. Okay, so here only one is the primary key, actor ID. Then next create director table. it contains director ID as a primary key. Create table director, director ID number, director name, varchar, director phone number, primary key is director ID. So this is the primary key. Next to movies, here also movie ID is the primary key. Create table movies, movie ID number, movie title, then movie year, movie language, director ID. So here primary key is the movie ID. Okay, movie ID is the primary key. Foreign key of director ID. So this director ID, foreign key of director ID is reference to what? Director of director ID. Reference to director of director ID. Next, movie cast. Movie cast, it contains 3 field names, column names, actor ID, movie ID, and role. Actor ID number, movie ID number, role, character, primary key, actor ID, and movie ID. Foreign key of actor ID reference to actor of actor ID. Foreign key of actor ID is reference to actor of actor ID. Similarly, movie ID of movie cast table is reference to movie ID of movies table. Movie ID reference to movies of movie ID. Movies table. Then last one is rating. Rating is it contains 2 field names, movie ID and received stars. Movie ID is the primary key, is reference to movie ID of movies table. Create table rating, movie ID number, received stars, varchar. Then primary key movie ID is the primary key. Foreign key of movie ID reference to movies of movie ID. Okay, movies of movie ID. Then after that, insert all the values in all the 5 tables. Okay, in actor table inserted 4 records: actor names, actor ID, actor name, and gender. Okay, so these are the 4 records. Similarly, in director table, director ID, director name, and phone number. Then movies table, movie ID, movie name, okay, year, movie year, then language, then ID. Okay, director ID. Okay, this one is director ID. Okay, this also director ID, this also director ID. Then movie cast. Okay, okay, movie cast table contain actor ID, movie ID, and role. Okay, these all are actor ID, these are the movie ID, and these are the roles, whether it's a heroine, hero, guest, like this. And last one is rating, movie ID and rate, received rate. Okay, so first we'll create the tables, then insert the values. First, actor table. Select and run. Table created. Next, director table. Table created. Next, movies table. Movies table created. Next, movie cast. Movie cast table. Movie cast table created. Next, last one is rating table. So all 5 tables are created now. Next, insert the values in all the 5 tables. First, actor table, actor ID, actor name, gender. Okay, so go on, insert the values in all the tables. Next, director table. Next, movies table. insert the values in movies table. Then last table, movie cast table, insert the values in movie cast table. Then last table is rating table. Now all the records in all 5 tables are inserted. Next, first question. List the titles of all movies. List the titles of all movies directed by Hitchcock. Okay. So let's see the table name. See what are the contents of the table. First, display movies table. Select star from movies. Select and run. So here this is the movie table. It contains 4 records: movie ID, movie title, movie year, movie language, and director ID. Okay. So the question is, list the titles of all movies. Okay, these are all the titles of all movies directed by Hitchcock. Okay. So here director name is not mentioned. Okay, director ID is there. Okay. So you have to see all the tables where director ID is present. Okay. So this is the director ID. Then you have to find the director name. Okay. So here director name is here. Okay. So director ID and that director ID should be matched. Okay. Then you get the director name. Okay. Here here movie name is there. Okay, from movies table you can identify the movie name. Okay, if you want to know the director name, you have to go to the director table. Okay, so how to identify corresponding name? The director ID of movies table should be matched with director ID of director table. Then you get corresponding director name. See here, select movie title. You get movie title from movies table. Okay, where director ID in. Okay, where the director ID in. So again here you have to find the director ID who director name is Hitchcock. Okay, how to identify the director name Hitchcock and what is this director ID? By using these queries. Yes, select director ID from director where director name is Hitchcock. Okay, what is the director ID from director table? So this is the director table. Okay, we want to find the director ID. Okay, want to find the director ID. Okay, whose director name is Hitchcock. Here 61 is the director ID. Okay, so then what you have to do is, okay, here you get 61, director ID is 61. Okay, you can identify what is the movie title whose director ID is 61. What is the movie title? Director ID 61. Okay, 61. Okay, here movie title is Akash. Okay, 61 is the director ID. Okay, the corresponding movie title is Akash. So you get the output as Akash. Just execute. Okay, the output is movie title is Akash. Clear, no? Okay, first you have to identify the director ID. Okay, whose director name is Hitchcock. Okay, then you get here the director ID, then corresponding movie title. Okay, you have to display the movie title from movies table where director ID is. Okay, you get the director ID from this query. So here you get the director ID as 61. Okay, then corresponding 61's movie title name is Akash. Okay, so from here you get 61, director name Hitchcock. Then see the corresponding 61, see the movie title. Clear, no? Next, second question. Find the movie name. Find the movie names where one or more actors acted in 2 or more movies. Okay, you have to identify the movie names. Okay, where one or more actors acted in 2 or more movies. You have to who are the actors acted in more than one or more than 2 movies. Okay, more than 1 movies. Okay, 2 or more. Then you have to find the corresponding movie names. Okay, so first select movie title. You need a movie name from movies table. In movies table, movie title column available. Okay, so from one table it not, you can't identify the movie name. Okay, those who acted more than 1 movies. Okay, so you need many tables. You need many tables. By using one table you can't display. So select a movie title from movies M. Okay, the object name is M here. Movie cast MV. Okay, the object name is MV. You need 2 tables where m.movie ID equal to mu.movie ID. Okay, movie ID of movie table equal to movie ID of movie cast table. Movie table and movie cast table. Okay, so this is movies table. Okay, so here it is a movie ID. Okay, then movie cast table. So this is a movie cast table. Okay, this also it contains movie ID. Movie ID of this table and movie ID of this table. It should be matched. Okay, then you can find the movie title. Okay, then and one more condition is select actor ID. Okay, from movie cast, group by actor ID. Okay, you have to find the actor ID from movie cast table. So this is actor ID from movie cast table. From movie cast group by actor ID, you have to group all actor ID one side. Okay, which are same actor ID. Having count actor ID more than 1. Okay, so who all are having more than 1? Okay, see here in movie cast table, actor ID 2 times is repeated, so it is more than 1. And here 303, it also repeated more than 1. Okay, 2 times it repeated, so means what? Actor ID is more than 1 here. Okay, means they acted in more than 1 movies. Okay, so 1000, this actor ID 301. Okay, she acted in movie ID 1002. 300, same actress, same actors acted in movie ID 1001 also. In 2 movies they acted, both same actor acted in both movies. Okay, similarly 303, actor ID 303. Okay, he acted in 103 movie and 1003 and 1002 movie. In both the movies 303 actor is acted. Okay, 304 actor acted in only 1 movie. Okay, so how to identify which movie it is? 301, see 1002. Okay, movie ID 1002, Bahubali 1. Okay, the heroine, she acted in Bahubali 1. Then similarly same in 1002. 1002 is what? 1001 is Bahubali 1. Then 1002 Bahubali 2. 1001 Bahubali 2, 1002 Bahubali 1. The same actress. So she acted in both the movies, Bahubali 1 and Bahubali 2. If you want to know the name, okay, you have to see the actor table. Okay, this is actor table. Okay, what is the actor ID? 301. Okay, so here actor ID is 301. Okay, who is 301 now? You have to see here 301. Okay, Anushka. Okay, Anushka, her actor ID is 301. She acted in both movies, Bahubali 1 and Bahubali 2. Then similarly one more, 303. Okay, 1003 and 1002. Who is 303? Okay, Punit. Okay, he also acted in both movies. Okay, 303. Punit acted in two movies, 1002 and 1003. 1002 is Bahubali 1, 1003 is Akash. So clear, no? Okay, acted in more than one movies. Okay, and movie title having count star greater than 1. Group by movie title having count star greater than 1. So here you have to display what? You have to display the movie title name from movies table. Okay, where movie ID and movie ID must be equal. Movie ID from movies table and movie ID from movie cast table should be equal. And actor ID in. Okay, select actor ID. You have to find the actor ID such a way that from movie cast table group by actor ID having count actor ID more than 1. They should act in more than one movie. Okay, group by movie title having count greater than 1. Okay, just execute. They should act in more than one movies. Okay, Bahubali 1. Okay, so the movie title Bahubali 1. Okay, in which the actor that Anushka, she acted in both movies. Okay, Bahubali 1 and Bahubali 2. She acted in two movies, more than one movies. Next, third, list all actors who acted in a movie before 2000 and also in a movie after 2015. Use join operation. You have to use join operation. You have to list all the actors who acted in a movie before 2000. Okay, which is released before 2000 and also in a movie after 2015. Okay, in between 2000 and 2015, if any movie is released, that should not be displayed. Only you have to display those movies. Okay, you have to display those actors' names who acted in the movie, that movie released before 2000 and after 2015. So which are the movies before 2000 and after 2015? Okay, so these are the movies. After 2015, only one. Okay, Bahubali 2. Okay, before 2000, no movie is there. Okay, after 2015, Bahubali 2 movie is there. Okay, you have to display the actor name. Select actor name along with movie title and movie year. Okay, actor name, movie title and movie year. Actor name, movie title and movie year. Movie title is there, movie year is there, but actor name is not there. Okay, actor name, movie title, movie year. Movie title and movie year you can display in one table, but actor name, movie title, movie year you can display here from this table, movies table. But actor name, okay, if you want to know actor name, you have to go to actor table. Okay, from actor table you can display. This is the actor table. Okay, but in from actor table you can't display movie name and movie year. Okay, so you need a both the tables, actor table as well as movies table. Actor name you get from actor table, then movie title and movie year you get from movies table. So you need a both the tables. So select actor name, movie title and movie year. You need 3 columns from actor A. Okay, so one table is not sufficient. You have to join with movie cast. Okay, you have to join with movie cast table. Okay, object name is C on A dot account ID equal to C dot account ID, join movies. Okay, so you need movies table and movie cast table. You have to join movie and movie cast table, movie table as well as movie cast table. You have to join this one. Okay, so here you get movie ID and movie ID. Okay, then you get the corresponding values. Okay, and one more condition is what? Okay, where m dot movie year not between. Okay, should not between 2000 and 2015, not between. Okay, means what? Before 2000 and after 2015. It should not between 2000 and 2015. That's the condition. Okay, movie after 2015. Okay, and before 2000. Okay, if it is in between, it should not display. In between 2000 and 2015 should not display. So that's why not between. Clear, no? Okay. So if you use all 3 tables, okay, actor table, movie cast table and movies table, okay, combinedly you can display. Okay, the condition is what? The movie should not be between 2000 and 2015. Should be before 2000 and after 2015. The display, you have to use join operator, so that's why here join. Okay, join actor table as well as movie cast table, and also join with movies table. So it displays actor name Anushka, movie title Bahubali 2 and movie year 2017. Only one movie which is released after 2015. Okay, so here only one movie 2017. Okay, only one movie is released after 2015. So remaining 3 movies are okay before 2015. Next question. Fourth question. Find the title of movies and number of stars for each movie that has at least 1 rating, and find the highest number of stars. Okay, you can the third question you can do one more method, but in question they clearly mentioned you have to use join operator. Okay, in question they mention you have to use join operator. Okay, use join operator, so that's why you have to use join operator. Okay, you can display same answer in one more method, but without using join operator it is. Okay, so here also you get same answer. You get same answer. Okay, you get same answer. Only one movie which is released after 2015, that is Bahubali 2. Okay, so here select actor name, movie name and movie year from actor table, movie cast table and movies table, where okay, actor ID of actor table equal to actor ID of movie cast table, and movie ID of movie cast table equal to movie ID of movies table, and one more condition, what? Movie year not between 2000 and 2015. In this way also you can display. Okay, but this is without using join. Okay, in question they clearly mention using join, so So this method is correct. Okay. Next, fourth one. Find the title of movies and number of stars for each movie that has at least one rating, and find the highest number of stars that movie received. Sort the result by movie title. Okay. So here the received stars are there. Okay. This is a rating table. So movie ID 1001, the star is 4, 2, 5 and 4. Okay. So like this the rating table is there. So here you have to display the title of the movies. Okay. So you have to display what? Title of the movies. So only from using this table you can't display the title of the movie. Okay. So you have to see the movie ID, then okay, then the corresponding you can display the movie title, movie name. And they also give one more condition as at least one rating. Okay, there should be a minimum one rating. So here all the movies are having okay, more than one rating. Okay. Then find the highest number of stars that movie received. Okay, you have to find the highest number of stars. Okay, and sort the result by using movie title according to movie title, alphabet wise in ascending order you have to display. Okay. So select movie title. The questions were title of the movie and the number of stars received. So maximum. Okay, they mentioned what? Max highest number of stars. So max of received stars. From which table? From you need a movies table because you need movie title. Okay. So if you want to display movie title name, you need movies table. Okay. By using this table you can't display movie name. Okay. You need movies table. Okay. Then inner join rating using, okay, inner join means join within that table, join within the same table. Inner join rating using movie ID. Okay. So rating movie ID, group by movie title, group by movie title, group by what? Movie title. Having maximum received stars that greater than 0. Okay, they mentioned no, at least one rating. So that's why more than 0. Okay, means at least one. Okay. Order by movie title. They also mentioned sort the result by movie title according to the movie title. Just select and execute. So it displays what? Movie title according to the alphabet order wise. Okay, so A come first, next B. Okay, so according to ascending order. Okay, then so maximum received stars. Okay, Akash received 5, then Bahubali 1, 2, Bahubali 2, 4 and Warehouse 4. Okay, so it displays in according to ascending order. Okay, so you need both the tables. Okay, the 1001 corresponding is Bahubali 2. Yes, that is rating is 4. Okay, so 1001 maximum is 4 only. 1001 maximum is 4 only. Okay, then the movie name is Bahubali 2. Okay, Bahubali 2, 4. Then Akash 5. Okay, alphabet wise A come first, so that's why Akash display first. Okay, 1003. 1003 means what? Akash. Okay, their rating is 5, so it displays Akash 1003 and 5 like this. 1004 is 4, Warehouse like this. Clear, no? Okay. Next, fifth one, last one. Update rating of all movies directed by Steven Spielberg to 5. Okay, so which movie is directed by Steven Spielberg? You have to make that rating is 5. Okay, which movie it is? Steven Spielberg, directed by Steven Spielberg. Just see. Steven Spielberg. See the director table name. Okay, this is the director table name. See here. Okay, Steven Spielberg, the director name. Okay, what is the director ID of Steven Spielberg? 63. 63 director ID is this one. Okay, what is the movie name? Where title? Okay, 1004. This 1004, this received star, you have to make it is 5. Okay, movie ID 1004, you have to make it is 5. Okay, so how we identify this movie, which movie is directed by Steven Spielberg? You have to see here. Okay, then see the corresponding director ID. Then from this director ID 63, then see the corresponding movie ID. Okay, 1004. Then from this 1004 director ID, then corresponding here. Here you have to replace update what? Received star as 5. Clear, no? See here. First you have to display the director ID. Select director ID from director where director name is Steven Spielberg. Okay. First identify director ID. Okay. From identify director ID, you get director ID as 63. Then what to do? You get 63 here. Okay. Director ID 63. Then select movie ID. Okay. From movies table where director ID is 63. What is the movie ID whose director ID is 63? Movie ID, director ID 63. Movie ID is 1004. Okay, this is the director ID 63. The movie ID is what? 1004. Okay, then 1004, then the corresponding you have to set was update rating set to received star as 5, where movie ID is equal to 1004. Okay, then the corresponding received star as 5. Okay, then update rating set to received stars as 5. Okay, clear, no? So this one make it is 5. Just to update. So one was updated. Now we display the rating table. Select star from rating okay, so 1004 movie ID, that corresponding received star as 5. Okay, previously it was 4. 1004 is received star is 4. Now it is updated to 5. Okay, clear, no? This movie is acted by Steven Spielberg. Clear, no? Okay, this completes your third lab program. Okay, thank you.